Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. This video we have a 2017 Ford Police Utility with about 84,000 miles. You heard it guys. Yes, 84,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the vehicle, please feel free to reach out 909-457-5500. You can also text me there. Okay, you can visit our webpage at cainterceptors.com for full pictures. Okay, but again guys, any questions, please feel free to reach out. We will make it happen. Okay, here we go. So brand new Unity non-LED spotlights, brand spanking new Weston push bumper. Okay, this one is on Goodyear Eagle RSAs all the way around. Absolutely gorgeous. Regular 3.7, regular gas. Okay, not a flex fuel. Okay, two antennas at the top. There we go. Perfect. All right, Police Interceptor badge. Excuse me. Parking sensors. There you go. Right there. All-wheel drive. Okay. All right. We're gonna make it a quick one as well, guys. The sun is going down and we're losing daylight. Okay. All right. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Just got finished. We just finished getting detailed. Okay. All right. All right. So now let's look at the inside. Check it out, guys. Seats are in pretty good condition. Look at the inside. All right. All right, now let's go to the passenger rear. Okay. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Awesome. All right, let's go to the trunk. Pop this bad boy open 1 second. All right guys, sorry about that. We had a train passing right by us. Anyways, don't know where I left off at, but here is the trunk of the vehicle. Okay, again, we're losing sunlight, so we got to continue making this video as fast as we can. Okay, vinyl seats, really good condition. Okay, all of our vehicles, guys, majority of them, they're all one owners. Okay, so, and they're all clean title. Okay, remember the spotlights are fully functional. Okay, here comes another train. Hold on. All right, sorry about that. So Weston push bumper, brand new. Let me show you the miles. Okay, right, that is 84,433 on the miles. Okay, smogged, test driven for about 300 miles. Car is absolutely ready to go. I don't list anything that you're gonna have a problem with, guys. I make sure that, you know, I hold myself, our company's at a pretty high standard as far as our vehicles. So we put out good vehicles. We try to put our good vehicles out there, just being 100% honest. Okay, and we'll do our best, guys. So guys, if you guys want more information on the vehicle, please feel free to reach out. Consider subscribing. Thanks for the likes, guys, and sorry for the short fast video. It just got losing daylight, guys. And on to the next one. All right guys, peace.